Okay, here's the situation. You're in the fourth quarter, aka the busy season. You have 2 bids you're currently working on that you feel pretty solid about that are due next week. And then you also have 3 others that you've already identified that you would really like to go after. You don't know if you'll have time to respond to all of them due to their approaching deadlines. Now today in your SAM.gov email searches pops up the perfect bid. This bid is 100% in your wheelhouse. It's not too big, not too small. You even know the scope of work so well, you can already start pricing it out in your head, or maybe you even have the perfect subcontractor who can also price it. You've quickly reviewed the proposal requirements, and this is something you would definitely want to respond to, and you do think you have a strong chance at winning. The thing is, contracting posted this perfect bid with a short due date, which happens to be the same time as the other 2 bids you are already working on that are due next week. What do? Do you shift away from your current focus? Do you try to take all the bids on at the same time? Do you stay the course and just stick to your already full plate, or maybe something else? You're now faced with an opportunity cost. What do you think? Is this perfect opportunity a bid or a no bid? You decide. Post your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.